Are your Autodesk apps crashing due to the Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we dive into the Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment, the core library for the Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment IDE inside AutoCAD. It manages the execution and debugging of Lisp scripts. If missing, the Vlide command in AutoCAD will return a module not found error, preventing developers from accessing the scripting console. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Autodesk to replace Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry Hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. The version of Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. A maintenance path for Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment and System Optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. Thank you for trusting us with Visual Lisp Integrated Development Environment Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.